Therefore 37% are positive. Goldman Sachs Group Inc. assumed coverage on Qualcomm in a research note on Thursday, July 21. Bernstein maintained its withhold rating and $55.0 target in Thursday, November 2 report. It fell as 89 investors sold QCOM shares, while 481 reduced holdings. The firm earned buy rating on Friday, May 26 by Stifel Nicolaus. Intact Investment Incorporated holds 0.35% or 144,700 shares in its portfolio. The rating was maintained by BMO Capital Markets on Wednesday, November 1 with hold. The stock has neutral rating by Citigroup on Wednesday, December 21. The stock of Qualcomm Inc. Vetra has buy rating in $69.25 target. The firm earned buy rating on Thursday, November 2 by Northland Capital. Canaccord Genuity maintained it with buy rating and $70 target in Thursday, July 21 report. Nasdaq QCOM. Vanguard Group Inc. invested in 0.28% or 103.48 M shares. After having minus 20 cents EPS previously, UMA Inc.'s analysts see 0.00% EPS growth. The stock decreased 0.08% or 3 cents on November 3, reaching $37.71. About 1.26 M shares traded. Journey Energy Inc. (CJOY) has 0.00% since November 6, 2016 and it is outperformed by 1.95% the S&P 500. Qualcomm Inc. is engaged in the development and commercialization of a digital communication technology called Code Division Multiple Access, CDMA. The company has market cap of $91.12 billion. The firm is engaged in the development and commercialization of the Orthogonal Frequency Division Multiple Access, OFDMA, family of technologies, including long-term evolution, LTE, which is an orthogonal frequency division multiplexing, OFDM, standard that uses OFDMA and single carrier frequency division multiple access, FDMA, for cellular wireless communication applications. Holland Crest Securities LLC now owns 4,356 shares of the wireless technology company stock worth $241,000 after buying an additional 40 shares during the period. The stock decreased 0.51% or 1 cent on November 3, reaching $1.97. 78,515,925 shares of the company traded hands, compared to its average volume of 9,556,495. It is underperformed by 7.39% the S&P 500. Investors of record on Wednesday, November 30 will be paid a dividend of 53 cents per share. It's down 0.05 from 1.03 in 2017 Q1. Share performance for the month is now at 18.07%. 107 funds open positions, while 451 raised stakes. Eastern Savings Bank reported 7,873 shares stake. 526,667 are owned by HM and Solus Alternative Asset Management Limited Partnership invested in 16.63% or 1.94 M shares. Washington Finkel Bank accumulated 49,585 shares. New York Stock Exchange to report earnings on November 14. Andra App holds 0.09% of its portfolio in Qualcomm Inc. Nasdaq QCOM for 223,933 shares. Albion Finance GRP has invested 0.33% in Qualcomm Inc. Nasdaq QCOM. The Pennsylvania-based Say Invests company has invested 0.11% in Qualcomm Inc. State Teachers Retirement System holds 0.35% or 2.47 M shares in its portfolio. Acadian Asset Management Limited Liability Corporation reported 866 shares, or 0% of all its holdings. Blue Mountain Capital Limited Liability Corporation stated it has 77,106 shares, or 0.09% of all its holdings. Aquacap Limited Liability has 0.1% invested in Qualcomm Inc. Grandeur Peak Global Advisors LLC decreased Knight Transportation Inc. New York Stock Exchange KNX, staked by 72,650 shares to 441,120 valued at $16.34 million in 2017 Q2. Since May 22, 2017, it had 0 buys and 2 sales for $797,328 activity. Sterling Michelle M. also sold $325,654 worth of Qualcomm Inc. On Thursday, June 1, the insider Earl Derrick K. sold $1.28 million. $588,767 worth of Qualcomm Inc. Qualcomm Inc. Nasdaq QCOM was downgraded by Zacks Investment Research from a buy rating to a hold rating in a research note issued to investors on Friday, October 27. Nasdaq QCOM, on Thursday, May 11. Bidisk Club raised shares of Qualcomm from a strong sell rating to a sell rating in a report on Sunday, July 16. Livermore N.M. bought $491,286 worth of Qualcomm Inc. Journey Energy Inc. is a Canada exploration and production company. The company has market cap of $179.18 million. Among 9 analysts covering LKQ, Nasdaq LKQ, 8 have buy rating, 0 sell and 1 hold. Qualcomm Inc. had 112 analyst reports since July 23, 2015 according to Stratton Intel. The firm has hold rating given on Thursday, January 28 by Topeka Capital Markets. The company was downgraded on Monday, January 23 by CLSA. Credit Suisse initiated it with outperform rating and $21 target in Tuesday, August 11 report. The firm has equal weight rating by Morgan Stanley given on Thursday, November 10. The company was maintained on Friday, September 8 by RBC Capital Markets.